Kudzu, a climbing, coiling and trailing vine native to Asia, is often recognized for its rapid growth and aggressive spread in various parts of the world, especially in the southeastern United States. Despite its reputation as an invasive species, kudzu has a long history of use in traditional medicine, particularly in Chinese healing practices. We will look at the plant's habitat, identification features, edible and medicinal uses, highlighting its potential benefits and applications in modern herbal medicine. Habitat and growth. Kudzu thrives in moderate to warm climates, preferring sunny areas with well-drained soil. It is notoriously vigorous, capable of extending up to 60 feet in a single season with its robust vines. Originally introduced to North America in the late 19th century for erosion control and ornamental purposes, it now dominates landscapes from Florida to Mississippi, enveloping trees, shrubs, and even buildings in dense foliage. Identification. Kudzu is easily identified by its large, compound leaves, which are composed of 3 broad, ovate leaflets with hairy margins. The plant produces clusters of fragrant purple flowers in the late summer, followed by flat, hairy seed pods. The extensive root system, which can burrow deep into the soil, is fleshy and tuberous, containing starch-rich nodules. Edible uses. The young shoots, leaves, blossoms, and roots of kudzu are all edible. The starchy roots can be dried and powdered to produce a flour substitute or thickener in soups and sauces. The flowers, often used to make jelly or syrup, offer a grape-like flavor, while the young leaves and shoots can be cooked as greens. Medicinal uses. Please note, this video is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure any illness, ailment, or disease. I recommend you consult with a healthcare provider who is knowledgeable about complementary herbal medicine prior to trying anything new. Estrogenic effects. Kudzu root contains isoflavones, such as didzine and didzin, which are thought to mimic estrogen in the body. This makes kudzu a potential herbal remedy for managing symptoms associated with menopause and hormonal imbalances. Cardiovascular health. The isoflavones in kudzu are also credited with helping to manage heart health by improving blood circulation and potentially reducing the risk of heart disease. Digestive health. Traditional use of kudzu includes its role in alleviating digestive spasms and soothing the gastrointestinal tract, making it a natural remedy for issues like indigestion and constipation. Respiratory conditions. Kudzu has been used in Chinese medicine to treat measles and other respiratory conditions by reducing inflammation and improving symptoms of cold and flu. Diabetes management. Some studies suggest that kudzu root can aid in regulating blood sugar levels, making it a supportive treatment for diabetes. Alcoholism. Kudzu has gained attention for its potential to reduce cravings and withdrawal symptoms associated with alcoholism. The root's compounds can help in moderating alcohol intake and detoxifying the liver. Though often vilified as a pestilent vine, kudzu's extensive medicinal properties paint a different picture, one of a versatile and beneficial plant in the field of herbal medicine. With applications ranging from hormone regulation to heart health and addiction treatment, kudzu exemplifies the complex interplay between nature's offerings and human health. As with any medicinal herb, it is essential to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any treatment, but the potential of kudzu in herbal medicine remains promising and deserving of further exploration.